For those who have been using the DEM file format for years to get information or to build surface models without going out and topoing everything, the USGS has released a new data set, which is the National Elevation Data Set. You can find out more details and more information about this data set from http://ned.usgs.gov. This will include where to download, how to download, as well as the details about the files and formats. What I want to do is I want to look at bringing in one of these NED files to AutoCAD Map to begin using it, to begin making profiles and to begin doing other things with it. So what I want to do in the map toolbar is I want to go to the data content and I want to connect to data. The data type is raster image or surface connection. I'm going to give it a name. Especially important if I'm importing from multiple files later to identify these out. So after its name, I'll go for the source file folder. I'll click on the browse, and then I'll go to where I extracted the file. I'll tell it to connect, and then I'm given a list of all the files in that particular folder. Now, I'm pretty sure in my case, this DBLBND is the file I want. It's usually the largest file that's shown in there, but if you're ever not sure, you can import all the files and weed out what you don't want later. If you're doing it that way, make sure not to combine everything into one layer. You want all of those files separated out. I'll go ahead and add that to the map. And then exit out of the connection. Now we can see the map has been added to the file. And what I can do now is right click on the connection and tell it to create a contour label. I'll create it from this layer. I want contours every 10 feet. Majors every 4. I can do these in feet or meter. Label the elevation if I want. Create them as polylines or polygons. And then save the contours to a specific SDF file. I can browse to change this if I want it. I'll hit OK. And just like that, based on the data that was there, I can have contours that I can now use for other functions.